What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best Chromebooks to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Lenovo 300E Chromebook Gen 3 is a versatile and durable device designed for educational and professional use. It features an 11.6-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, an Intel Celeron processor, and 4 GB of RAM. The device comes with 32 GB of eMMC storage and supports microSD card expansion for additional storage. The Chromebook Gen 3 is built to withstand the rigors of daily use, with a MIL STD 810H certified design that can survive drops, spills, and rough handling. It also includes features like a 360-degree hinge, a built-in stylus, and a front-facing HD camera for video conferencing. With up to 10 hours of battery life, this Chromebook is an excellent choice for students, educators, and professionals who need a reliable and versatile device for work and study. The Lenovo 300E Chromebook Gen 3 is an upgraded version of its predecessor, the 300E Chromebook Gen 2, with several new features and improvements. It runs on the Chrome OS operating system and includes built-in virus protection and automatic updates. The device's 11.6-inch touchscreen display supports touch and stylus input and can be rotated 360 degrees to switch between laptop, tablet, tent, and stand modes. Under the hood, the Chromebook Gen 3 is powered by an Intel Celeron N4020 processor with a base clock speed of 1.1 GHz and a turbo frequency of up to 2.8 GHz. The Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook is a versatile and powerful device that combines the functionality of a laptop and a tablet. It features a 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display that can be rotated 360 degrees, allowing users to use it in laptop mode, tablet mode, tent mode, or stand mode, depending on their needs. This makes it an ideal device for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a portable and flexible device to get work done. Under the hood, the IdeaPad Flex 5i Chromebook is powered by an Intel Core i3 processor and 4 GB of RAM, which provides enough power for basic tasks like web browsing, video streaming, and document editing. It also has 64 GB of eMMC storage, which should be enough for most users. Additionally, the device runs on Chrome OS, which is a lightweight operating system that is designed for web-based applications and services. The Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 is a sleek and powerful device that has been designed for users who value style and performance. With a stunning 13.3-inch QLED touchscreen display, the Chromebook 2 delivers vivid colors and crystal-clear visuals. It is powered by an Intel Celeron or Intel Core i3 processor, making it fast and efficient for multitasking, web browsing, and streaming videos. One of the most remarkable features of the Galaxy Chromebook 2 is its battery life. It can last up to 14 hours on a single charge, which is impressive for a device that is so lightweight and portable. Additionally, it comes with 4 GB or 8 GB of RAM and up to 128 GB of storage, which provides plenty of space for storing files, documents, and media. Another great aspect of the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 is its versatility. It can be used as a laptop or tablet, thanks to its 360-degree hinge that allows it to flip around. This feature is particularly useful for users who need to switch between typing, drawing, or taking notes. The device also includes a built-in pen for writing and drawing, which is a great addition for artists and designers. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 is a powerful, versatile, and stylish device that offers excellent performance and long battery life. The Acer Chromebook Enterprise Spin 714 and 715 are two top-of-the-line laptops designed for professionals and businesses. They come packed with high-end features, making them ideal for productivity and remote work. Both laptops have a 14-inch and 15.6-inch touchscreen display, respectively, and boast an impressive battery life of up to 10 hours, making them perfect for all-day use. The Spin 714 and 715 are powered by Intel's latest 10th Gen processors, offering seamless performance and productivity. They also come with 8 GB of RAM and up to 128 GB of SSD storage, providing ample space for files and documents. Moreover, these laptops have a 360-degree hinge design, allowing users to switch between laptop, tablet, and tent modes with ease. The Spin 714 and 715 are designed with security in mind, featuring built-in virus protection and automatic updates that ensure the latest security patches are installed regularly. These laptops also come with the Google Play Store, providing access to millions of Android apps that can help boost productivity. The Acer Chromebook Enterprise Spin 714 and 715 are excellent laptops for professionals and businesses seeking reliable and powerful machines. The Asus Chromebook Flip CX5 is a powerful and versatile laptop that is perfect for users who need a reliable device for both work and entertainment. The device features a 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display that is perfect for watching movies, browsing the web, or getting work done. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080, the display produces crisp and clear images, making it easy to read the text and view graphics. The Chromebook Flip CX5 is powered by an Intel Core i5 processor and 8 GB of RAM, making it ideal for multitasking and running demanding applications. The device also comes with 128 GB of storage, giving users plenty of space to store files, documents, and media. One of the most notable features of the Chromebook Flip CX5 is its ability to flip into tablet mode. This allows users to use the device in a variety of configurations, including as a traditional laptop, a tablet, or in tent mode. The device also comes with a stylus, making it easy to take notes or draw on the touchscreen display. Other features of the Chromebook Flip CX5 include a backlit keyboard, a webcam, and a variety of ports, including USB Type-C and Type-A ports. The device also features fast charging capabilities, allowing users to quickly recharge the battery when needed. Overall, the Asus Chromebook Flip CX5 is a powerful and versatile device that is perfect for users who need a reliable and flexible laptop for both work and entertainment. With its fast performance, high-quality display, and range of features, the Chromebook Flip CX5 is a great choice for anyone in the market for a new laptop. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best Chromebooks to buy right now. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.